Shine bright up all night. Whenever
Hello everyone, today's tutorial will be on a quick and easy simple smoky halo eyeshadow look. It is suitable on night occasions. Be it any attire that you're wearing, it is going to look good. Smoky eyeshadows are suitable for night parties. If you are interested in knowing how to get this eyeshadow look, then please continue watching. I'm picking this eyeshadow from a 9 color palette. This palette is from Mars. Find link to this palette along with other products in the description box below. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my crease. Move the brush back and forth. And when you want to create smokiness, move it in circular motion. When you're applying, move back and forth. For smokiness, move circular motion. Apply the same on your outer V. Next, I would be packing black eyeshadow. This is very pigmented black eyeshadow, a very beautiful pigment. I am applying black eyeshadow on my outer and inner corners. Move the brush back and forth. Let the black eyeshadow mix with the crease eyeshadow. Move the brush back and forth. Move the brush in circular motion. Hold the brush very lightly. The traces of the first eyeshadow should be visible lightly. Don't hold the brush tight and don't take any eyeshadow in the brush when you're blending it with the first eyeshadow. Move the brush, empty brush on the crease. I'm intensifying the outer and the inner corners using the black eyeshadow. Next, I'm using liquid eyeshadow here. This eyeshadow is from Color Gel. Find links to this liquid eyeshadow in the description box below. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. Push it here towards the inner corner to blend it with the inner eyeshadow. Push the black eyeshadow towards the liquid eyeshadow to blend it with the liquid eyeshadow. Do the same here. I'm intensifying further the liquid eyeshadow applied. When you blend the eyeshadow, it fades. Reapply if you want intensity to be greater. I'm pushing the black eyeshadow towards the liquid eyeshadow to diffuse the harsh edges of the liquid eyeshadow. Next, I'm using liquid eyeliner to create winged eyeliner. I'm outlining my wing. After outlining, fill it. Pull a line here joining the mid and it's done. Next, I'm creating pointed inner corner. Next, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. After this, I'm smudging it on my lower lash line. Use the crease eyeshadow, the first eyeshadow that I applied when smudging. Next, I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. I'm using mascara from Lakme. This is Lakme Iconic Mascara. Move the wand in upward direction multiple times. When coating mascara on your lower eyelashes, hold the wand vertically. Use the tip of the wand to coat mascara on your lower eyelashes. Just move the wand back and forth. I'm using this eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone and it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eyeshadow look, if you found this tutorial helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.